Right, now because we loved statistics so much, we did our own frequency table with the heights of the people in 7th grade. So if we look, and we've actually already cheated a little bit, put this data into the frequency table. Let's check that we've not missed anyone. 151 to 155, there was 4 people in that height range. There was 5 people in this height range. The frequency, how often did somebody fall into that height range? 161 to 165, 5, 10, there's 12 there. 5 here. 171 to 175, there's only 2. 1 person who was this tall. 0 people who were in the range 181 to 185, but there was 1 person in the range 186 to 190. So, let's look at, we need a new scale for our frequency because our maximum number is 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, that looks fairly reasonable. So if we took 2 people for each of our scales here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Give us a reasonable histogram. Okay? So in the first height range we had nobody here in the smallest height range from 146 to 150. We had 4 people in the next height range. 151 to 154, 4 people. Again, you should use your rulers in your book and make sure that you're going along neatly. 156 to 160, there's 5 people. So we'd need just 1 person more, so we'd go half the way between this scale, up, exactly half, using our rulers. 161 to 165, there was 12. This is going to be our big jump. It's not a very good straight line. So now we're going to go all the way up here to 12. And I know you've got very vivid imagination, so pretend that they're straight lines. Then at 166 to 170 we have 5, so we're looking at the same height as here. 5 people here. Then 2 people in 171, so we want to follow the y-axis here at 2 along, measure this, that we've got the same height, should be 10 centimeters, exactly here. 1 person, which would be 5 centimeters in the next range, when we're measuring it accurately with our rulers. 0 at 181 to 185, and 1 person here in the range 186. So, again, always good to actually fill in and shade your histogram. It shows very clearly that we had nobody in this height range. And then I would probably finish it off to make it really clear with actually how many people were there here. 4 there, 5 there, 12 there, 5 again, 2, 1, and don't forget the little last one here, 1. That histogram is now very easy to read. The axis is clearly labelled, the y-axis is clearly labelled. The x-axis is a little bit difficult to read now that we've added the extra 10 centimeters there. But you can still see height range in centimeters on the x-axis. And then this is our real data. So frequency table, nothing to be worried about. It just means how often does that situation arise or occur.